Now that we know what is an assertion, let's look at what are the different assertion methods provided by JUnit in the assertions class. So assertion helps in validating the expected output with the actual output of a particular test case. All the assertions are defined in this class org.junit.jupyter.api.assertions class. Remember in JUnit 4 that used to be a different class where you can find this assertion methods, but in JUnit 5 this is the package and this is the class. And all these methods that are present inside this assertions class are static methods, so that you can do a static import of this class and you can directly use these methods instead of saying assertions.assert equals assertions.assert not null. Rather, just do a static import and just use the method. So if I go to the documentation, you will see this is the assertions class and it has all the methods assert all with alphabetical order, assert array equals, and all these are static void method. Then the list goes on. It is quite a big list and you will find all kinds of possibilities that you can use assert and different assertion methods. So now if we look at some of the methods, assert equals is a method that helps us compare the equality of two objects. One will be of course your expected, another will be actual. So that is going to help us to evaluate whether the test will pass or fail. Similarly, we have for single value, we have methods like assert true or assert false. If you have two values, go for this, assert equals. If you have one value, you can go with this. Similarly, there are scenarios where you want to check certain value is null or not null, go with assert null or assert not null. But if you have requirement where you want to do much more than this equals true, false, false, null, not null, there are also some generic things exist. Assert that, and in that you can apply anything. So assert that method compares an object to an matcher, and which is provided by Hemcrest. It's another library. And then what it does is you can do all kinds of things. So this is the Hemcrest library. If you add this, then you will be able to have different kinds of matcher with which you can do assertions like any uh, is described as, so any matches anything, is you can check a matcher that checks if the given objects are equal or not. It's like assert equals. Described as all of, any of, like we want to do these kind of experiments. Not of, equal to, or you can check instance of, a lot of things you can do. So all these static methods take different parameters and you can do different kinds of assertions with them. But most of the time these methods are more than sufficient. But in case you want to do more complex assertions, you can go with this Hemcrest library by adding this dependency in your project, and you can go ahead and use one or more than one of these matches to do different assertions. So you have to basically play around with these matches to get acquainted to them. So in the course, we are going to do a lot of tests. So we will get comfortable with these annotations and these particular assertion methods. So thank you. I will see you in the next video. Bye.